hi family, welcome home. I'm Lily Rose and this is my husband Tony. We're from Down Home Barbecue and today we're going to make some smoked loaded potatoes. Oh my goodness. I have some potatoes that I've already baked approximately 3 hours in a crock pot on high, and as you can see with this potato here, I went ahead and cut that in half. And scooped out the inside. Now remember, this is part 2 of our series. You might see some more delicious items on our grill. That's because when my baby gets that grill going hot, I want to put as much on as I can. Thank you. We're going to add those potato fillings in with some melted butter, salt and pepper, and a little Mexi cheese. All right. And once that's all mixed up, we're gonna stuff these potato skins. And now we're gonna go ahead and top these potato skins with smoked bacon. Oh, check out that link. You'll see how my husband Tony smoked that bacon on the grill. Oh, that was too much. I'm also going to add some green onions from my garden. And of course more cheese on top. Then we're going to throw these on the grill. I'm going to finish up with the rest of these and we'll meet you back.
Move these over.